Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to take an image in PowerPoint and remove its background. So this is an image I got from the web. This is my PowerPoint slide. I gave it a solid color so that you can see the transparent background after I've adjusted it. And with my image, I always like to make my image large when I'm trying to edit it. It allows me to see the details better. And now that the picture is selected, you see the white handles all around it. I come up to the top of the menu and I hit the picture format menu, and all the way on the left is the remove background. And when I first click it, you see that it's done a preliminary adjustment of the background on its own. But you see this area in pink that's part of the house. I want to keep that. So I come up to this green button that says mark area to keep. And I'm just going to, I don't have to do a very fine adjustment, just an approximate. And you see it's taken the house back, but it gave me a little bit too much. So now I'm going to hit the red area to remove. And again, I'm just going to kind of fill it in. I'm not tracing it. I'm not doing anything that's too precise. And I'm going to say I want to keep this part of my house over here. And it kind of understands what we want. And if I wanted to get rid of the driveway, I could, but I think I want to keep the driveway. Once I'm satisfied with everything that's been left, I hit the check mark, and you see that my house here now is saved. The other thing I like to adjust is you can see that there's all of this big open space as part of this image. I'm going to crop it. So you can right click or two finger click, or you can get crop from the menu bar when you're still in the picture format tab. And when you click crop, the handles turn to black handles so you can trim the frame around it. And that'll take away what we call padding or excess padding. And there we go. So now we see that the frame around the house is tight to it. And that allows me to really make this picture as big as I want. And let's do another image. I'll get a car from the web. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to bring it into my PowerPoint and paste it. And hit my picture tab, remove background. So it's removed too much. It's even removed my glass from the car. I'm going to hit my green pen so that I can say what I want to keep. And I want to try to get this glass area here. And then I can just squiggle through the glass, say I want to keep all of that. My tire all the way over here with my bumper, I'll just squiggle through it, say keep all of that. My headlights, anything that's pink, I want it to change so I can keep it. All right, my grill has pink on it. I want to say I want to keep my grill. My other headlight, get that pink out. This back tire and back fender. See, I'm not really doing anything precise. I'm just touching an area I want to keep. The inside of my car has some pink. I don't want to see through my car in the picture when I'm done. This looks pretty good. Let's hit the green check. And let's make the car smaller so that it looks like it can fit the garage kind of. There we go. And that's how we can just use PowerPoint. It has some built-in tools for editing images. It's not for super precise background removal, but it'll do the job. And now I have an image that the background's been removed. I can let the different layers of my PowerPoint show through.